In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WordPress login page. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch, align the login page with your brand, or simply enhance its visual appeal, customizing your login page can make a significant difference. To get started, you'll first need to install a custom login plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, and from there, you'll want to navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New, and you'll be able to search for plugins in the search bar provided. A few popular options you might consider are Login Press, Custom Login Page, or Login Page Customizer. These plugins are well regarded not just for their functionality, but also for their ease of use. Once you've settled on a plugin that suits your needs, make sure to check its ratings and the number of active installations. This will give you a sense of its reliability and popularity within the community. After you've chosen a plugin that you're comfortable with, go ahead and click Install Now. Following the installation, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Clicking this will ensure that it's ready to use. With the plugin activated, it's time to dive into customization. Typically, after activation, the plugin will add a new menu item to your WordPress dashboard. For instance, if you've opted for a plugin like Login Press, you'll likely find this under Login Press, followed by an option like Customizer. This is where the magic happens. Now it's time for the fun part, customizing your login page. Within the Customizer, you'll encounter a variety of options that allow you to tailor the login page to fit your vision. You can change the logo that appears on the page, adjust the background with colors or images, and even tweak layout options to suit your taste. If your brand has specific color codes, be sure to utilize these to maintain consistency across your website. As you explore these options, take your time. Experimenting with different features might give you a clearer idea of what looks best. Remember that a preview is often available, allowing you to see changes in real time without making them live immediately. This way, you can iterate on your design until you're completely satisfied with the final look. After you've configured everything to your liking, don't forget to save your changes. Most plugins will have a button or link, often labeled as Save or Publish, that you'll want to click. This ensures that all your customizations are stored and visible to anyone accessing the login page. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully customized the login page of your WordPress site. Not only does this enhance the visual feel, but it also sets the tone for the experiences users will have on your website. Enjoy the process and have fun making your WordPress site truly yours.